So you want to make money online through affiliate marketing. You want to earn extra money so you can pay for those bills that's sitting on the kitchen table, or take that first vacation trip this year, or even one day fire your boss with your own online business, but you don't have a program, or you're within the program and you're not making any money from that program. Well, today I'm going to share with you something that I believe is going to help you out today, tonight, right now. My name is Shelton, and welcome to my video today. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a program, Make Money with Affiliate Marketing in 2020. A program can get you from being stuck, overwhelmed, confused, to actually making your first result. Now, results are not typical, but with this program, it will teach you step by step on what action steps you need to do today. And I will show you my results that I got from the system that I think really can inspire you to go ahead and sign up today. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's that time. Let's talk about it. Make money through affiliate marketing with this program in 2020. Now, before I even made any type of money on any type of affiliate marketing program, there was a few things I needed to do when I first had my first result. The first thing was my mind. I had to start believing in myself. So I started reading books like The Slight Edge. I started reading books like that, and I started to get my mind right. The second thing is I needed a program a program that I believed in, that I thought can really start getting me results. And the third thing was a mentorship and a coach that can direct me in the right direction. Right now, we're going to talk about all three of them. The first one, your mindset. So start reading positive books like The Slight Edge. And The Slight Edge is about basically small, simple goals, small, simple steps can reach to massive success. And the second thing, we're going to talk about a program. So I'm going to show you my screen on the program that I joined, and I was able to make my first result, being brand new, stuck, a newbie, broke, confused. But once I got to the program and I plugged into the training, I was able to make my first result. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is called the Super Affiliate Network, what you're seeing right here, and it's a digital marketing affiliate high ticket program that's going to teach you how to grow your online business, create your own online business, and go ahead and start having results in your online business. Now, right now, you see here's my results from December 9th through January 9th. So I just did a month, 30 days of the results. And I just want to show you, to give you some inspiration. That's all it is, to let you know that these systems does work if you put in the work. And right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and sign up. It's basically, it's a short fee. I'm going to be honest with you. It's a small fee to sign up, but you're going to get you those tool sets, and you're going to give you the training for you can go ahead and crush it in your online business today. And check this out. You'll see my face. It's actually a story. So you'll go ahead and see a video of me, and you'll see exactly how I was able to go ahead and have some success with affiliate marketing. So right now you see me in 30 days making $5,097, and there's another $135 is going to be paid to me in the next couple of days. So that's showing my results. Is you see it here, December 9th to January 9th. Just 30 days. Just 30 days. I want to show you to you. But when you sign up today, you won't go to this page. I just want to show you the results first. But you will start here, where basically you'll go ahead and start your training. You'll go ahead and start your training within the system. The system's been around a long time. It has helped tons of people getting results in the system. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go through the training. You're going to go through the bootcamp training. You're going to start here with the training, right? So when you sign up, you'll watch a video of myself actually pretty much talking about my story of how I was able to achieve as well. And then you'll sign up from there, and then you'll start the training. The training is fantastic because it teaches you exactly what you need to do. This is a high ticket digital marketing company that teaches you how to start and grow your online business. Now you're probably wondering, like, what does all that really mean? Well, it's basically teaching you how to grow and market anything. So let's say you were trying to sell this book, right? The system and the program teaches you how to sell the book properly, right? Setting up capture pages, setting up email campaigns, setting up follow-up sequences, things like that, setting up different type of headlines to get people's attention. You need that training to be able to craft something and sell something as well. And that's what the Super Affiliate Network really will do for you. It will definitely take you from being stuck, confused, and overwhelmed to basically start having your first result in your business. So you'll start right at the training there, and in each slide you're going to learn something, and I want you to take notes as you go along here. So that's what I want to show you. We'll start out at the boot camp with this program that you'll get started with today. I'm going to show you one more thing here as the computer loads up. As the computer loads up here, you see the results here. You see the $5,097. But yes, you will start here, and then here is the first module. You'll actually start going through the phases. You'll start going through the modules as well. You'll go through all the training and the mishaps of this program. So I just want to show you a little bit of it. I'm going to go back to the main screen here. Voila. So that is the Super Affiliate Network. Right below this video, there's a link for you. Go ahead and sign up. There's a small fee, but I believe it will definitely help you achieve your results in 2020. I just want to show you some of my results that I made through the system, and the system does work. You do have to put in the work, just a couple of hours a day in the beginning. Just go through the training step by step, and definitely go through it. And you can always contact me as you go along through the program, because I want to see you succeed. Make money online in 2020 with affiliate marketing is completely possible, because there's so many different ways of how to do it. And this program here is one of the best programs I've seen in terms of teaching you marketing step by step. So right below the video, click on that link below. Click on that link below to get started, and I can't wait to see you on the inside having your first result with affiliate marketing. Or if you're an existing business owner, if you've been around a long time, this does work because it goes back to the basics, but it does go to advanced, right? It does have advanced type features in there that's going to help you grow your own business. Let's say if you had your own business, the advanced features will definitely help you with that, because it definitely has different things in there: email marketing, headline capture pages, bridge pages, video, email marketing sequences. It's different things in there that get your mind going and teach you how to run traffic. And it's so exciting. I'm telling you, at a very, very low price. It's almost, I can't believe we even doing this right now, giving this away like this at this price. It's crazy. So click on the link below. Go ahead and watch the video. You'll put your email address in the capture page. The first page, put your email address in there. The next page, watch the video and take action. So I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Adam Shelton. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Click on the link below, and I'll see you tomorrow or on the inside.